Hi, welcome to the Green Coffee Summit. My name is Isabel van Bemmelen and I will tell you something about Beyco or Beyond Coffee platform, which we have developed as Progresso Foundation. With Progresso Foundation, for the last 23 years, we have been guiding and supporting producer organizations in Africa, Latin America and Asia. With our Beyco platform, we increase our impact and are be able to reach way more producer organizations on the platform. With Progresso Fund, we combine access to markets with finance for the contracts that have been closed on the Beyco platform. With Beyco, we combine access to markets with access to finance, because in my experience as a social lender, that's lacking the most or has the most challenge for most producers and their organizations. Besides facilitating access to markets and finance through the Beyco platform, we see a large increase for traceability. Where's the coffee coming from? What price has been paid to the producers and the organizations? With the Beyco platform, we can also facilitate sustainability efforts, traceability, and you can compensate for projects or CO2 compensation within your same coffee value chain. So the idea with Beyco is that it makes the coffee value chain transparent, and meanwhile it facilitates for all the people in that coffee value chain to build up a trade, but also a financial track record. At this moment, we have over 470 validated users, which can be buyers or sellers. We have been live since 2018. With the launch of the trader profile, you will be able to not only sell, but also buy coffee. And by the end of 2021, we will also digitally facilitate the connection with social lenders and banks through the platform. So let me share with you how that works. If you go to the public page of Beyco, you'll get a sneak preview about the coffees that are at that moment available. You can browse for more coffees, you can filter, search on certain details. Coffees can be offered as a trader or as a selling organization. All the samples, all the coffee offers, they have their own QR code which travels with them through the chain. If you want to know more about those coffees and start a negotiation, you have to make a profile. As Progresso Foundation, we validate all of the people, whether you're a seller or a buyer, after making a profile, to make sure you enter a system with only trusted parties. If you're logged in, you can see other details about each individual coffee that has been offered on the platform. So that's where you can start a negotiation. After the negotiation, you can sign a contract online. After signing a contract online, both the buyer and the seller, they decide if they want to make this contract visible on the public page. Only the contract details that both parties agreed upon, they will be visible on that public page. So on the public page, if both the buyer and the seller agree to share, for example, there's a sustainability effort, if there was a CO2 compensation involved in that coffee contract, or if there was a project related to this coffee contract, they can share that. So in the end, you will see the whole coffee value chain from origin. If there was a trader, importer, exporter, or other party involved, up to the roaster or even to the retailer. The final consumer can scan a QR code, whether that's on a package of a coffee, roasted coffee, or whether it's a menu in a coffee bar, or whether it's even published on a coffee machine. QR codes can be scanned, which traces back to the chain of that specific coffee. For the sample request, every sample has their own QR code. So that QR code travels through the whole Beyco platform. With Beyco, we provide the traceability from the producer organization up to the end buyer. By combining Beyco platform with the Beyco Farmer app, you can have the full traceability starting at the farmer level. Thank you for listening to my presentation about Beyco Coffee Platform, and hope you have a nice Green Coffee Summit. Thank you.